everyone, now let's see this cryolipolysis lipo laser slimming machine. It has two cryolipolysis handles. One is big and one is small. And it has 6 lipo laser pads, 4 big pads and 2 small pads, and 1 vacuum roller handle. Now we have connected all the handles, and then we need to fill it with water. Here, this is the hole for water inlet, and this hole is for water outlet. This hole is for water drainage. If we need to change the water, we can let the water out from this hole. And this one, we put the water in. Meanwhile, we need to screw this one. Put the water in from this hole. And if there is water flow from this hole, it means that it is filled with the water, so no need to put water in anymore. And then finish it, we just screw it back. Okay. After we have done these procedures, then we can turn on the machine. Switch the key. The machine is on now. This is the main interface. Okay. We press, and then we enter it. There are 2 functions: lipo laser, vacuum roller, and cryolipolysis. Okay. Then we clear lipo laser. Here, you see there are 2 lipo laser photos here. This one is for the big one, and this one is for small one. We clear the big one. We choose to use the big lipo laser pads. Then we set up the time here. Here, make the time shorter, and here, make the time longer. Okay. Then we set up the intensity here. Choose the one. See, these 2 pads are working now. Here we can then we set up the channel 2. These 2. Also, we can set up the time here and the intensity. Then it's work. And then for the 2 small pads, we clear this one, and then we set up time. Set the time here. Here we set up the intensity. These 2 small ones are working too. Okay, then finish it, stop it, and then we go back to the main interface. Now comes to the vacuum roller. This is for select time, set up the time. Make the time shorter, make the time longer. Here is for the suck and the release time. We can set up the time of suck and release here. This one, make it longer, make the suck time longer. This one, make it shorter. And this one is for release time. Make the time shorter, make the time longer. Okay. Here is for selection of modes. There are 4 modes for selection: mode A, mode B, mode C, and mode D. We can choose any one that we need. We start it. Here, on the handle, there are this button. This button is for start and stop. This is start and stop button. Start. And there are 4 buttons. These 4 buttons are for the direction. Okay, we try. Select this one. The 2 rollers is working like this. Are working like this. Select this one. These 2 rollers are working like this. Okay. And then it works like this. And for this one, these 2 rollers is working like this. Okay. Start and stop button. And stop it. And go back to the main interface. And the last one is the cryolipolysis function. There are 2 cryolipolysis handles. One is big and one is small. Press this one. We can choose the function of the big one. And then we set up the time and temperature here. Time, make the time shorter and make the time longer. Here is for the temperature selection. Then we start it. Now let's see the handle, the cryolipolysis handle here. This one is for the start and stop. Start, then this big one is working now. And these 4 buttons, they are used for set up the time of vacuum and release. Here, it's for set up the vacuum time, make the time longer. And this one is make the vacuum time shorter. Okay. And this 2 is for set up the time of release. This one make the release time shorter, and this one make the release time longer. Okay. Finish, then we stop it. It's working. And then finish, we'll stop it. Yeah, let's. And for if we need to use the small one, we clear this one. Choose this one. And then set up the time here. Set up the temperature here. So start it. Start and stop the button, start. And the same with the big one. This one is for set up the vacuum time, make the time longer. And this button is for making the time of the vacuum time shorter. Okay. And this 2 is for set up the time of release, the release time. This one make the release time shorter, and this one make the release time longer. Okay. It's working. After finish it, we'll stop it. Then stop it here. Let me go back. Okay, that's all for all these 3 functions. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Finish it, and then we'll turn off the machine. Okay, that's all. Thank you.